Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol PTX. That's Pernix Therapeutics Holding Incorporated. The chart we're looking at here today is a 1 hour chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 1 hour of trading. Let's discuss some key areas of support and resistance. And I just want to mention that these two lines here, you can kind of ignore. This was some intraday support and resistance from when I was day trading this today. So we're not going to go into too much detail about those two, mostly intraday. But let's discuss the hard areas of support and resistance. So the intraday one, we'll briefly just discuss that. So this is right under 66 cents. That top line being 55.56. And then this bottom one, 64 cents. Very soft resistance there. But for the main levels, we have 63 cents. It's going to be this top line that's going all the way from the left to the right. The middle line here is going to be 53 cents. And this bottom line here, that's going to be 47 cents. So these are our key pivot points: 63 cents, 53 cents, and 47 cents. As long as we're able to hold above 53 cents, the trend is still going to be up for the most part. We'll still be above this 50-period moving average, although we will be below the 10 and the 20-period averages, of course, since those 10 and 20 areas are pretty much right over here. So if we fall down, we will be below this area. Makes sense, doesn't it? And the 50-period average, we were hanging out around over here 50 periods ago. So if we do fall down to the 47 cent support, we'll still be right by that 50-period average. So hopefully if we do break 53 cents, we kind of bounce off this 50-period average. And PTX does indeed play to those averages nicely. We can see it was bouncing off here, here, and now it's actually bouncing off this 10-period moving average. It hasn't bounced yet, but it is testing it. So we could see it bounce there, or we could see it bounce near this 20-period average, or we'll probably see it bounce at 53 cents. So if it doesn't turn around right here at about 60 cents, next area that we could turn around at is about 58 cents. And if that doesn't occur, we could fall off all the way to about 53 cents. Now, if that does happen, it could give us a potential bounce play from 53 cents to 63 cents. That'd be an awesome day trading play right there. Talking about pretty much a 10% gain on a nice bounce. And PTX does like to bounce like that, so definitely going to be keeping it on the watch list for this week for that bounce play. Now, alternatively, it just comes right back up. And we finish strong, start the week strong, and finish strong with a nice break, once again, of 63 cents. Then we can work to that 64 cent light resistance that we discussed earlier in the video, and ultimately break above 65 cents and continue this uptrend. For now, the uptrend is still in effect, though. We have some lows here, lows here, lows here, and now some lows here. So technically, you could say these were lows and we're making lower lows, but this was all so close together that, we had the open basically and the close here today. So this is pretty much making higher lows still. So let's see what it does tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be pretty important. Like I said, just to reiterate, we bounce off here right now, as in tomorrow, or we bounce off around 58 cents, or we fall off to about 53 cents. Now, if 53 cents breaks, we could bounce off this 50-period average, and if that doesn't work, we might see this come all the way back down to 47 cents, but I don't think that's too likely. The trend is still pretty nice. We can take a look at our RSI down here at the bottom to get an idea of the overall trend. See, we went oversold there, and we went oversold here, so we're still in a pretty nice uptrend, and I think this thing can start turning around. Let's take a look at what it does the rest of the week, and I'll most likely update this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave a message down below. I'll take a look, and you're more than welcome to join us in the chat at activeinvestors.net, standard or prime membership. Pick your choice, and we'll see you there. Have a good one.